Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Subject to the provisions of this Act, the pay and all other conditions of service of the subordinate ranks of police force shall be such as may be determined by the state government. Stop. Under Section 46 of the Act 1861, power to frame rules has been conferred upon state government. Stop. It is not disputed by the parties in both these writ petitions that there were no rules framed under Section 2, read with Section 46 of the Act 1861, so as to govern the matter of recruitment and appointment of police officers of subordinate rank, that is constable, head constables and sub-inspectors. Stop. The entire matter earlier used to be governed by various orders issued by state government from time to time, which were considered to be statutory orders issued under Section 2 of the Act 1861. Stop. It is in this context an office memorandum dated 3/2/1994 was issued by Principal Secretary (Home). Stop. This office memorandum was in reference to the appointment of a police inspector on a non-cadre post of Deputy Superintendent of Police, where such police inspector PAC has shown an act of exemplary courage and gallantry. Stop. Conditions on which such appointment against a non-cadre post of Deputy Superintendent of Police was permissible provided in the office memorandum. Stop. Para. Inspectors of police force who have shown invincible courage and gallantry shall be appointed to the ex-cadre gazetted posts of Deputy Superintendent of Police by creating such posts. Stop. In this regard, ex-cadre posts of Deputy Superintendent of Police shall be created by the government upon the recommendation of the Director General of Police. Stop. A third government order dated 2/1/1998 was issued by Principal Secretary stating that such constables who are found suitable for out-of-turn promotion on the basis of their outstanding service by DGP or Home Secretary shall also be entitled for such promotion under government order dated 3/2/1994, and earlier government order dated 3/2/1994 was amended accordingly. Stop. In order to lay down certain guidelines to understand the term outstanding service, a circular was issued by DGP Headquarter UP Lucknow on 29/12/1998, in which yardsticks to find out whether a constable satisfy requirement of outstanding service or not were laid down. Stop. The above government orders, being orders relating to recruitment and conditions of service of police officers of subordinate rank, hence statutory by virtue of Section 2 of Act 1861. Stop. The situation, however, changed in 2008 when statutory rules were framed by state government in exercise of power under Section 2, read with Section 46 (2) and (3) of Act 1861 in respect to constables, head constables, sub-inspectors and inspectors (civil police) of UP Police Force. Stop. Para. The aforesaid rules declare that the same are being made in exercise of powers under subsection 2 of Section 46, read with Section 2 of the Act 1861, and in supersession of all existing rules and orders issued in this behalf. Stop. The aforesaid two sets of rules have been framed to regulate selection, promotion, training, appointment, determination of seniority and confirmation of the aforesaid cadres of UP police officers. Stop. over.